the sun finally decided to show itself. So I thought I'd slip on my Crocs, get my dogs, and head out to see what nature has provided for us. Tail barrel. Wow, it is beautiful out. Looks like some little daffodils have popped up. Look at that nice yellow color. We'll walk over here, stop by and say hi to the sun, moon, and sky Buddha that's been sitting out here all winter, sending blessings to all of my lovely subscribers. This particular piece took 2.5 years and over 250,000 beads. I put it out in nature about 6 months ago as an offering to say thank you for all the blessings I've received. What's this? A little dog. It's so nice to get in the backyard, just walk around, see what kind of things grew over this last month of rain. Look at these. They're beautiful. Not sure what they're called. If you know the name, just leave it down below in the description so that others can find out. It's always nice to identify plants, find out who they are. Come on, everybody. Let's go take a walk. Look at this nice moss. Whenever I'm down, I just come out, rub my hand on some moss. It reminds me of 70s shag carpet. It's really nice. I feel better already. Look at this cool statue sitting back here, playing the lute. Ah, she's got some moss too. Let's give her a lucky rub. Thank you. When it rains a lot, I get kind of down. And then the sun comes up. So does my mood. Today I've got this lucky amulet, in case you're wondering which one I was wearing, that I picked up while I was in Thailand. Let's go this way. Who wants to come over here? Nobody. Whenever I get the camera out, the doggies decide to abandon me. So here we are in the garden. Some things have grown. The plum tree's been trimmed back. There's the sun. Beautiful. The fennel grew all through the winter. Fennel cam. Hey everybody. There's a little bit of lettuce. I've been coming out here and munching it and making little salads. I put these other Buddhas out here too as an offering to nature, to send energy to the world. I know it needs it. I know I need it. I get a little down in the winter. I don't have any waves to ride. There's no sun to warm me up. So that's one of the reasons I put these statues out here. So that they have a place to send positive energy from my garden to you. Whew, look at these lovely radishes. I have to make some nice borscht soup, I believe it's called. This was my grandfather's and my grandmother's. I made a nice pendant out of wood and Montana agate. And this is now with me here in the garden. So here's what the garden looks like when it's winter. It looks beautiful still. You can see the roses have been cut back. And now we'll go do something fun. One of my favorite things to do. That's right. Spin the composter. And there she is in all her glory. The composter. Come on. Let's give her a spin. Come on, big bucks, no whammies. Ooh. Oh, all right. Let's see if we won any prizes. Deluxe. Look at that earthworm. Look at those earthworms. This is some healthy compost. Can't wait to fill the planter beds with it. When spring comes, turns into summer, and all the beautiful flowers and vegetables arrive. This is Pepper. Come on, let's go. Come on. Back into the sun. Oh, she's got flop back. I gotta fix that. And look what we have here. A little puppy named Mo. Hi, Mo. Come say hi to everybody. That's Mo. So that was just a quick whip around the backyard. Give you a little sunshine just in case you're somewhere where the sun isn't shining and the weather isn't sweet. And I leave you here with a blessing of love, luck, health, and wealth. See you next time on Salty and Bored. Sending you all the blessings from Salty and Bored.